You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English. If you want to learn, by the way, more vocabulary that is confusing like this one, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. You should listen and watch. Inventory is the British English pronunciation. Is that how you pronounce it? Maybe not. The Americans. The American English pronunciation is as inventory. Inventory. Inventory or inventory. Yes, you've heard this correctly. The UK pronunciation skips the t pronunciation or to pronunciation. Inventory or inventory. How do you pronounce it? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.